Here's a simple step-by-step guide to recover your Google account, even if you no longer have access to your recovery email or phone number. If you're currently stuck on the Google login page, close it completely. You can't recover your account from that screen. Now open any browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, anything you prefer. In the address bar, type support.google.com and tap Go. This is the official Google Help Center. On the support homepage, choose Google Account. This is where all account recovery options are managed. Scroll down until you see Need More Help? Then tap Post in the Help community. Scroll down again and tap Post a question. You now need to sign in with any Google account. If you don't have another one, simply create a new one. This will not affect your locked account. In the short summary box, type something like, I forgot my Google account password, and I lost access to my recovery email and phone number. Then, in the large description box, explain the situation. You forgot your password, you cannot receive codes, and you need help recovering the account. Scroll down and choose Account Access and Recovery, Account Recovery. Then tap Next, and Next again. Choose the device you're using right now. Android, iPhone, or computer, then tap Next. Make sure email notifications are enabled so you receive a reply. Then tap Post to publish your request. A Google product expert or Google employee usually replies within 24 hours. They will give you personalized instructions to reset your password and recover your account, even without a phone number or recovery email. And that's it. Follow the steps they send you, and you should be able to recover your Google account successfully.